Hello, I'm Jeff Bateman, Parts and Service Director here at Jenkins and Wynn Ford. I want to take a few moments of your time today to let you know why it's important to have your oil and filter changed regularly at Jenkins and Wynn. Well, if you don't get your oil changed regularly, you're going to end up with sludge in your engine, which will cause the oil not to go through the engine as it should, and cause major problems down the road, whether it be oil leaks or the engine actually failing itself. Some of the vehicles will actually have a reminder to tell you when it's time. They'll either be set up on 5,000 miles or 7,500 miles. We recommend every 5,000 miles with the dusty conditions that we have in this area. It's better to be safe than sorry and go and get it done. And the small amount of money that you pay to get your oil changed is definitely worth it in the long run. Our basic oil change is $29.95. That includes up to 5 quarts of oil on a gasoline engine, and you do have to pay a little extra if you have a vehicle that holds 6, 7, or even 8 quarts of oil. But when we do an oil change here, we actually top off all your fluid levels, check air pressure in your tires, look at your brakes, check your battery, do a good physical examination of the car. That way, if there is something coming up that we can point out to you, we'll let you know. Here at Jenkins and Wynn, other than the fact that we're very competitive on price, most of the time we really beat the prices of the Jiffy Lubes and the Quick Lubes. But the main reason is our people are trained on the Ford vehicles. They know what they're doing, they know what to look for, and they know the proper oil and the proper amount of oil to put in them. And we use Motorcraft oil, which is made specifically for the Ford vehicles, and Motorcraft filters. Thanks for your time. If we can ever be of assistance to you, let us know. We will be happy to change your oil. You don't have to have an appointment, but if you'd like one, just give us a call and we'll set you up. Thank you.